So the first integration that I would like to go over is JIRA. So this integration is largely for task management, and it's largely for current JIRA users. So we can integrate your zipBoard project with JIRA to create and manage tasks directly in JIRA. So basically all the new tasks that you generate through your markups in zipBoard will be added to your JIRA project, where you can do everything that you can already do with it in JIRA. So it basically facilitates the feedback portion instantaneously without any friction into your project. So here's an example of what that could look like. So right here, I'm using zipBoard and I'm marking up just amazon.ca, but it could again be any other type of file. And as you'll see, this comment will flow into zipBoard, and it'll be marked as a task here. And within a couple seconds, it should also flow in as a task into JIRA. And because these two are integrated, there's a two-way integration across these with regards to statuses, at least. So here you can just check that your task has been integrated with JIRA to ensure that it's actually in fact there. And the very cool thing about here is you can change the status in JIRA, and it'll also change in zipBoard. And the same thing happens vice versa. So if you're going to go in here and change the status in zipBoard, you'll find that the status in JIRA will jump back to reflect the changes in zipBoard. There's a tiny delay here just because of the API, but basically you have your project integrated fully, and you can go and click into these tasks in JIRA, and you can do basically everything that you could normally to manage your project. Why can't I go next page?